Hey guys, today I'm going to barbecue some chicken thighs on the Weber Kettle. So let's get queuing. I have a tray of chicken thighs here. I'm going to season them up on both sides with some Traeger apple honey pork and poultry rub. I'm using a fresh bag of Royal Oak lump charcoal for this. I like using a fresh bag of lump charcoal when I can for this because the bigger pieces are on top and they seem to burn hotter than the finer stuff that gets down on the bottom. So anyway, I have that in a Slow N Sear. I have it filled all the way up and I have a drip pan on that side. I took it out of the kettle for a while and just tried it without the Slow N Sear and the drip pan, but I really miss having the drip pan in there because it makes it easier to clean up all the grease. I have 10 chicken thighs on there. I'm cooking them indirectly, meaning opposite the coals, and they're not smoking anymore, so they're hot. It's hard to tell because it's a sunny day, but they're hot. The smoke is clean, so I'm going to get the lid on there, and I'm going to leave the vents wide open. It's been about 55 minutes. Let's check on these. Whoa. Now I haven't touched these at all. I've just let them cook. It looked like they were cooking pretty evenly and the skin was getting crispy on top. So I didn't move them. I didn't turn them over, nothing. So I usually like my chicken thighs to about 175 degrees internal temperature at least. So these are, that one's 178 right there. This one over here is 167. I think that's probably pretty good. This one over here is 194. That one's a little closer to the coals. I'm going to brush some barbecue sauce on them and then I'm going to get them off of there. That skin crisped up pretty nicely. This is Kinder's Honey Hot sauce that I'm brushing on there. I didn't turn them over because it's kind of like cooking them in an oven, so the side that's facing upward crisps up more, so that's why I left them skin side up. If you turn them over skin side down, they don't tend to brown up as much. Makes a nice easy way to cook chicken. I only did the top side. I didn't sauce the bottom. I didn't even touch them the whole cook. So I'm just going to get the lid on there and let that sauce heat up for a couple minutes and then we'll get them off and try them out. See how much grease that drip pan catches? Makes it so much easier to keep your grill clean. Then you just let it cool down and next day you can scrape it out into the garbage can or whatever, and a lot easier to clean up. This chicken has nice color for not cooking it directly over the coals. See what the inside looks like here. Okay. Wow, it looks pretty juicy there. Probably should have put it more isolated on a different plate, but it looks good. It's cooked through and it's real juicy. Let me grab a piece with some skin on it here. You know what? Let me just grab it like that. It's easier. They came out good, both the meat and the skin. Crispy skin, juicy meat, nice flavor. It's good. Let's see if Annie agrees or she thinks I'm just making up stories over here. It looks like it's Annie approved. I like cooking chicken that way. Use lump charcoal, cook the chicken indirectly, and just let the grill get as hot as it wants. Don't mess with the vents, just leave them wide open. And then the skin gets crispy, the meat gets pretty juicy. Just look for that internal temperature, about 175 degrees for the chicken thighs. I've let them go all the way up to like 200 or more and they were still good. You know, it's just a real easy way to do it. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.